China's appetite for donkey products has soared in recent years, leading to a surge in donkey farming across the country. This surge is not just a minor uptick, but a significant transformation in the agricultural landscape. Donkey farms, once small and scattered, are now sprawling operations with hundreds, sometimes thousands of animals. This boom is driven by the increasing demand for traditional medicines, which have long been a cornerstone of Chinese healthcare. Donkey hide gelatin, known as Ejiao, is particularly prized for its purported health benefits, including improving blood circulation and boosting energy levels. Additionally, there is a growing taste for donkey meat, which is considered a delicacy in many parts of China. Restaurants and markets are now offering a variety of dishes featuring donkey meat, from stews to barbecues, catering to an ever-expanding customer base. And let's not forget the rising popularity of donkey milk products. Donkey milk is touted for its nutritional benefits, including being rich in vitamins and minerals. It is often marketed as a healthier alternative to cow's milk, appealing to health-conscious consumers. Once a common sight in rural areas, donkeys are now being raised on an industrial scale to meet this growing demand. Modern farming facilities have replaced traditional methods, incorporating advanced technologies to increase efficiency and output. This rapid expansion of donkey farming has significant implications for both China and the global donkey population. The increased demand has led to concerns about sustainability and animal welfare, as well as the impact on donkey populations in other countries, which are often exported to China. The donkey, once a humble beast of burden, has found itself at the center of a burgeoning industry. In rural areas, donkeys were traditionally used for transportation and farming tasks. Now they are being bred and raised primarily for their meat, milk, and hide. This surge in demand is deeply rooted in Chinese traditions and dietary practices. For centuries, donkey products have been integrated into the Chinese way of life, from medicinal uses to culinary delights. While donkey meat has long been a source of protein in some regions, the recent demand spike is unprecedented. Markets are bustling with activity as consumers seek out donkey products, and processing facilities are working overtime to keep up with the demand. This newfound interest in donkey products has transformed the traditional practice of raising donkeys into a modern, large-scale industry. The shift from small-scale, family-run farms to industrial operations marks a significant change in how donkeys are perceived and utilized in China today. This transformation is not just about meeting current demand, but also about setting the stage for future growth in the industry. Three main factors drive the high demand for donkeys in China: Ejiao production, donkey meat consumption, and the use of donkey milk. These factors have created a booming industry centered around donkeys, impacting both local economies and traditional practices. Ejiao, a traditional Chinese medicine made from donkey hide, is highly sought after for its purported health benefits. This gelatin, which is believed to improve blood circulation and treat various ailments, has seen a resurgence in popularity, driving the demand for donkey hides. The process of making Ejiao involves boiling the donkey hides to extract the gelatin, which is then processed into various forms such as sheets, powders, and even candies. This ancient practice has been revitalized in modern times, with many people swearing by its effectiveness in promoting overall health and well-being. Donkey meat, considered a delicacy in some parts of China, is also gaining popularity as a lean and flavorful alternative to other meats. It is often compared to beef, but is said to have a sweeter and richer taste. This growing taste for donkey meat, often prepared in stews, stir-fries, and dumplings, further fuels the demand for donkey farming. The meat is not only enjoyed for its unique flavor, but also for its nutritional benefits, being high in protein and low in fat. Farmers are increasingly turning to donkey farming as a lucrative business, given the rising demand for both the meat and the hides. The animals are relatively easy to care for, and can be raised in various environments, making them a versatile addition to agricultural practices. Finally, donkey milk, prized for its nutritional value and purported health benefits, is becoming increasingly popular among health-conscious consumers. Rich in vitamins and minerals, donkey milk is often marketed as a superfood. Marketed as a hypoallergenic alternative to cow's milk, donkey milk is used in a variety of products, including infant formula, yogurt, and cosmetics. Its gentle properties make it suitable for people with allergies or sensitive skin. The milk is also used in high-end skincare products touted for its moisturizing and anti-aging properties. As more people become aware of its benefits, the demand for donkey milk continues to grow, making it a valuable commodity in the health and wellness market. The life cycle of a farmed donkey in China begins with breeding. This is a meticulous process that involves selecting the best animals to ensure strong and healthy offspring. Breeding farms are often expansive, housing numerous donkeys in carefully managed environments. Large-scale farms often use artificial insemination to maximize breeding efficiency. This method allows farmers to control the genetic quality of the herd, ensuring that only the best traits are passed on. Artificial insemination is a common practice in modern livestock farming, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining the productivity of donkey farms. Once born, foals are typically weaned at around 6 months old and raised on a diet of grass, hay, and grain. During this period, they are closely monitored to ensure they are growing healthily. The young donkeys are given ample space to roam and play, which is essential for their physical and mental development. Donkeys are relatively hardy animals, well suited to China's diverse climate and terrain. They can thrive in various environments, from the arid regions to the lush green pastures. This adaptability makes them valuable livestock in many parts of the country. However, the intensive farming practices employed on some farms raise concerns about animal welfare. Crowded conditions and lack of proper care can lead to stress and health issues among the donkeys. Animal rights organizations have been advocating for better living conditions and more humane treatment of these animals. As donkeys reach maturity, typically between 2 to 3 years of age, they are assessed for their intended purpose. Farmers evaluate their physical condition, temperament, and overall health to determine whether they will be used for breeding, work, or other purposes. Donkeys raised for Ejiao production are typically slaughtered at a younger age. Ejiao, a traditional Chinese medicine made from donkey hide, is highly valued for its purported health benefits. The demand for Ejiao has led to an increase in donkey farming specifically for this purpose. While those intended for meat production may be raised for a longer period, these donkeys are often allowed to grow to their full size to maximize the amount of meat they can provide. The meat is considered a delicacy in some regions and is used in various traditional dishes. The donkey's journey often ends at a processing plant, where they are slaughtered and processed into various products. These facilities are designed to handle large numbers of animals efficiently, but the process can be harsh and stressful for the donkeys. The methods used in these facilities are subject to scrutiny, with calls for improved animal welfare standards. Advocates are pushing for more humane practices, including better handling techniques and less stressful environments for the animals. The goal is to ensure that even in their final moments, the donkeys are treated with dignity and respect. From farm to factory, modern donkey meat processing. Modern donkey meat processing facilities in China employ streamlined procedures to handle large volumes of animals. The process typically begins with stunning, where donkeys are rendered unconscious using humane methods. This crucial step ensures that the animals do not experience pain or distress during the subsequent slaughtering process. Following stunning, donkeys are carefully slaughtered and skinned. The hides are separated for processing into Ejiao, while the meat is further processed into various cuts. These cuts are then thoroughly cleaned and inspected to ensure quality and safety. Finally, the meat is packaged and refrigerated, ready for distribution to markets and restaurants. Modern processing facilities prioritize hygiene and efficiency to ensure the production of safe and high-quality donkey meat. Ethical crossroads, controversies, and challenges. The booming donkey farming industry in China faces significant controversy, particularly regarding animal welfare and the impact on global donkey populations. Animal rights activists raise concerns about the conditions in some large-scale farms, highlighting issues such as overcrowding, inadequate veterinary care, and stressful transportation practices. The surge in demand for donkeys in China has also led to a decline in global donkey populations. Many countries, particularly in Africa and South America, have witnessed a sharp decrease in their donkey numbers due to the demand for their hides and meat in China. This has resulted in economic hardship for communities that rely on donkeys for transportation and agricultural work. Furthermore, the illegal trade in donkey hides has flourished, with reports of donkeys being stolen or illegally slaughtered to meet the demand. Innovation and sustainability, the future of donkey farming. The future of donkey farming in China hinges on addressing the ethical and sustainability challenges facing the industry. Innovations in farming practices, such as promoting free-range grazing and improving animal welfare standards, are crucial for ensuring the long-term viability of donkey farming. Technological advancements, such as the development of plant-based alternatives to Ejiao, could help reduce the reliance on donkey hides. Furthermore, promoting responsible sourcing practices and cracking down on the illegal trade in donkey products are essential for protecting global donkey populations. The industry must embrace sustainable practices and innovation to ensure the well-being of donkeys and the communities that depend on them.